Hello, hi, namaste. This is Surabhi, your master teacher of chemistry at Vedantu. Welcome to the session. Good evening. Hi, hi. Hi, Srilata. Hey, Harleen. Hi, Kriti. Hey, Sriya. Hi, Krish. Hi, Sanvi. Hey, Harleen. Hello. Hi, Adnan. Sriya, are you happy to see me or what? What were those emojis? Hi, Vasant. Hey, Harshit. Hi, Unnati. Happy Shivratri. Thank you so much. Thank you. You're from UK. Hi. कैसे हो आप? I'm good. I'm good. Hi, Shivani. Happy Shivratri. Thank you. Thank you. Happy Shivratri. Too sad today. What happened, Shurek? First class with me. Hi, Devanshi. Welcome to the channel. And people, if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and click on the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever we are live or premiering the videos. Thank you so much in advance. Hi, Kanchan. Hello. Happy Shivratri. Hi. Hello, Anju. Hi. Okay. So today we will be solving a question paper CBSE 10th ka. Ready? Yes. Ready? See, metals are malleable because they can be beaten into thin sheets. Right? So, you know what happens? So they are not brittle. Okay, so when you, because it's a force of attraction, a very strong force of attraction between the atoms, so when you try to break them, when you try to hammer them, and you apply force on it, instead of breaking, they will just change the shape. But physics too, yeah, we'll solve everything. Let's get started. Hi, hey Ashil. Hi Suchi. Hey Krish. I'm good. Thank you so much. Thank you for asking. Super duper ready. Okay. All chapters 20 Wednesday, Monday को हुआ था ना? No, Tuesday को. Hi Shravan. Hello. Very excited. Just like kinetic charges. Ooh, I like this. Boron and arsenic. Start कर दो. ठीक है. But before that, here is a reminder. So if you are confused what to take and all that, so Harshit and Amrit sir are coming together on 12th March 2021 at 5:30 p.m. Do not forget to watch the session on Vedantu 9th and 10th channel. Very soon. So this is the question paper. Okay, let's start solving it. I'm not even going to try reading all this. Let's skip it. Write the next homologue of each of the following. I know this. Okay, so this one, name the part of bryophyllum where the buds are produced for vegetative propagation. What? List 2 natural ecosystem. No idea. Leaves. Okay. Leaves. I got it. Thank you so much. Oh, okay. Got it. I understood now. No. For chemistry, we have prepared separate slides. I'll just go through the question paper. That's all. Okay? I know we don't have to solve it from this one. Good. Smart girl. Explain giving example where active involvement of local people led to efficient management of forest. That Chipko movement and है ना? That one? No? Hi Johnson. Hello. Hi Anshu. What are covalent compounds? I know this one. H2SO4 है, so it must be related to chemistry. Oh, this is also chemistry. Chemistry. Good. No, Jasmine. Jasmine, रुको ना. So this is the question paper for your reference. You can just download it. And now we'll start the question paper. Actually, so we have included only chemistry questions because you know how bad your ma'am is at physics and biology. So she's not even going to try answering those questions. But chemistry part, we'll do it. But before that, here is some information. Very important. New academic year is starting, and we are left with 1 month or 2 months for CBSE ICSE board exams. So why don't you take the Pro subscription, where you can revise all the chapters. You can, if you are lagging behind the syllabus, we will complete it. You will get the handwritten notes, so the notes which is curated by the experts, everything at a very lower price, because you will be using the coupon code SURPRO. So all this, along with, there will be in-class doubt solving, where all of your doubts will be cleared in the session, because there will be class teachers and master teacher will be there to solve all of your doubts. So if you are a Pro subscriber, if you take up the Pro subscription, the different courses like micro courses, crash courses, सब कुछ आपको free में मिलेगा, मुफ्त. So more classes, lesser price. Okay, but what you have to do, visit the link given in the description and in the pinned comment. Use the coupon code SURPRO so that you can get additional 20% discount. Blur hai? Can you see it? You cannot find the PDF of valence bond theory. It should be there. Description में होगा. Just do check. Yes, after every session we are uploading the PDF. ठीक है? अच्छा, Tanzila is new. I am also new. I just joined today. Okay, so here is our first chemistry question. Write the next homologue of each of the following. The first one is C2H4 and C4H6. First, determine to which homologous series these two compounds belong to. C2H4. The general formula will be CnH2n. Yes? Alkene. Acha. This one C4H6. C4H6. So CnH2n minus 2, right? So here the number of carbon atom is 2. So the next homologue must be C3. So C3H6 hoga, and this one. See, they have not asked you about which homologous, I mean alkene hai ya alkyne. Yeah, so you figured it out. Very good. So even if you are confident about the answer, please write down the general formula once, check it, verify the answer, then only write it. Okay? Yes, C3H6 and C5H8. Pakka C4. So the next homologue must contain, the difference will be CH2 unit, C5H8. This is also something we know, right? Because homologous series mein, the next one, the difference will be CH2 units. है ना? Yes, got it? Yes, Manisha, alkene, alkyne hai, but still the question here is write the next homologue. So if you are like completely lost, you're like alkene ya alkene, I have forgotten the general formula and everything, next homologue, add CH2. Bas, the answer will be right. No worries. है ना? Yes? Cool? So C3H6 and C5H8 is the answer. Hi Harinder, yes I do. Okay, next question. What are covalent compounds? Why are they different from ionic compounds? List their 3 characteristic properties. What to do? I cannot even unmute you. Should I tell the answer? Lamba, both lamba hai question. Sharing of electrons, very good. So compounds formed by mutual sharing of electrons is what is known as a covalent compound. Very good. Good. Sharing. I can answer it in Bengali language, but I should be able to understand it, no, Kriti? Why are they different from ionic compounds? Can you tell me? How are they different? Why are they different from ionic compounds? Yeah, okay. Anshu is saying ionic compounds are formed between metals and non-metals, whereas covalent compounds are between non-metals. So Suchi is saying they do not share electrons, they transfer electrons. There will be complete transfer of electrons. Very good. Good, Harshit. They don't form ions. Yeah, covalent compounds, they do not form ions. But ionic compounds, ions. नाम में ही है ना? They do form ionic ions. Very good. Come on, give me a high five. Good job. क्या बात है? The last one. List their 3 characteristic properties. अच्छा Anushri, see, this is from previous year question paper. Yes, I am right. Thank you. List 3 characteristics, the properties of covalent compounds. Low melting and boiling points, very good. Intramolecular force is weak. So hence it has low melting and boiling point. Okay. See, low melting point, low boiling point. Don't write it as 2 different properties. ठीक है? Smart. Low melting point, 1 point. Low boiling point, 1 more point. They do not conduct electricity because there are no ions, absence of ions, right? Very good, very good. Force of attraction is weak. So covalent compounds are those compounds which are formed by sharing of electrons between 2 atoms which contain covalent bonds, right? When there is sharing of electron, a covalent bond is formed. Okay. Sparingly soluble in water, very good. About the solubility, good one. Weak static force, good. So covalent compounds are different from ionic compounds because the ionic compounds are formed by the complete transference of electrons, whereas covalent compounds where there is sharing of electrons, and ionic compounds exist in the form of ions, but here you do not find any ions. So characteristic, generally have low melting and boiling points. They are less soluble or insoluble in water. They readily dissolve in organic solvents. They are very poor conductors of electricity. Yes. So that's what, you are ready to face any kind of questions because we are practicing, right? Nitin akka ICSE ka bhi PYQ lao na. We have already started. Hi Naladarshini. Hello. Shreyas, why your sessions are always on 6 p.m? Because I'll have regular sessions. I have to teach on platform also. You know Tamil? No. Next one. Calcium is an element with atomic number 20. Stating reason, answer each of the following questions. Is calcium a metal or non-metal? If you just say yes, it is a metal, you won't get full marks because they have already mentioned it, made it clear. We need reasons. Okay? Is calcium a metal or non-metal? It's a metal. Why? First answer. Give me a reason. Justify your answer. Calcium is metal because it is placed in group 2. Okay. I like the approach. Its valency is 2. Very good. And it loses electron. Very good. Yes, your secret sweet admirer. I just did. Thank you, Darshini. Thank you so much. Means a lot. Free electrons are there. Oh, calcium mein? Because it has metallic properties. It is electropositive in nature. Hi, Parth. Okay. So, second one. Will its atomic radius be larger or smaller than that of potassium with atomic number 19? What do you think? Smaller. Harshit is saying smaller, bigger. Krish is saying bigger or larger. Smaller, larger, smaller, smaller, larger, smaller. Okay, you decide first. You people talk and decide and give me an answer. Okay, Shilata is like, you tell the answer. See here. So, potassium का atomic number है 19. Calcium is 20. Right? Yes? So, what happens to the atomic size across the period? What happens to the atomic size across the period from left to right? What happens? Very good. The atomic size is decreasing when we move from left to right. है ना? So, calcium का atomic size कम होना चाहिए potassium से, right? हाँ. So, calcium's atomic size will be smaller than that of potassium. Understood? No confusions? Yes? Manuji, low melting and boiling point. Where are you? So here, as the effective nuclear charge is increasing, you can even talk about the position of those two metals, because as they have given the atomic number of potassium, you can use that point. Say, potassium is placed on the left side of calcium. Hence, when you go from left to right across the period, the atomic size of an atom decreases. Calcium का atomic size smaller होगा compared to potassium. Very good. Write the formula of its oxide. Calcium का oxide का formula. Not CaO2. Not CaO2. Sure. Photo decomposition, yes, it is used in black and white photography. AgBr, you will get Ag plus bromine. Black and white photography mein, it is used. CaO2, no, it is CaO, pakka. Okay. So, Ca plus 2, O minus 2 it is. So, crisscross method Ca2O2 to simplify it. I'll just divide those subscripts by 2. I'll get calcium oxide. So, CaO is the answer. Bingo. Very good. Yes, Ca2 plus O minus 2 it is, right? So, calcium oxide, that is group 2 mein. All the oxides, the general formula will be RO, MgO, CaO. Yes? Done. You are ignoring me? I'm not. Okay, so we have already discussed the answer, but let me read this again. It is a metal since it has 2 electrons in its outermost shell. Very good. So this is half mark ke liye, and it has its valency is 2 and it is electropositive in nature. It can lose electrons easily. What, Shurek? See, AgBr. No, I'll give you the equation also. Okay, in the presence of sunlight, you will get Ag plus Br2. 2Ag, this one. Where do we use this, people? That's a joke. Where do we use this? Black and white photography, you remember? The application? Yes or no? Right? See? It's the right answer. Okay. An element M with electronic configuration 282 combines separately with NO3 minus 1. These are polyatomic ions, sulfate and phosphate radicals. Write the formula of 3 compounds so formed. To which group and period of the modern periodic table does the elements M belong? Will M form covalent or ionic compounds? Give reason to justify your answer. Okay, let's start with nitrate. So I have not prepared this question, so I have just taken it from a question paper. So easy, right? See, when you are well prepared, every question paper seems like an easy one. So you will get the PDF, Rekha. Okay, once the session is done, you will get the PDF with the handwritten notes also, the annotations and all, which I'll be adding, writing down. So that also you will get. Okay, don't worry. So first one, MnO3 twice या thrice or one? Twice. MnO3 twice. Why? So here an element M with the electronic configuration 282, and we all know which element is this. This is Mg, right? So as it has 2 electrons in its valence shell, uska valency hoga M plus 2. So M plus 2, NO3 hoga -1, crisscross method, you will get M, NO3 twice. So this will be the first formula. Okay. So B, sulfate. MSO4, because M is plus 2, SO4 is also -2, so MSO4. Magnesium sulfate ka formula kya? MgSO4 it is, right? Very good. So you can just use Mg in bracket. If you just write, I know what compound you are talking about, you know, the confidence. MgNO3 twice. You can just add it in the bracket. Okay, very good. The last one, phosphate. So it is -3. M plus 2, PO4 -3. So it will be M3PO4 twice, right? So somebody got confused, Prince G. Check it again. Take the valency of M, phosphate को दे दो, phosphate का valency M को दे दो, ignore the charges, बस. Okay, clear? So first part of the question we have answered. The next one is, to which group and period of the modern periodic table does the elements M belong? Yes, please go if you have exams. Yeah. Hi Joshi, thank you for attending the session. Hi DJ. Second group या period? You need to be specific. Second group 2. Why? How did you say? How do you know it is group 2? You have the periodic table. How will you know? How will you identify the position of an element in the periodic table? Hi Manu. My question is, yes, it is. Yeah, it is placed in group 2 and third period. How? How did you say that? 2 electrons in its valence shell. Very good, because in the exam 2021 ka exam mein, they might not ask you the same thing. But if you know the reason, you can answer it for any metal, right? Any metal ka position, you can aram se figure it out. So the number of electrons will determine the group number. As it has 2 electrons in its valence shell, it is placed in second group. If it had 3 electrons, 3 plus 10, you will find it in group 13th group. So here period, number of shells is equal to the period number. So 282 is its electronic configuration. It has 3 shells. So this element belongs to third period. Yes, good. Okay, so next one, will M form covalent or ionic compounds? From state board it has been reduced. This one also, ionic compounds. What is left then? Ionic, why? Why ionic? Why not covalent? To lose electrons. So M wants to lose those 2 electrons, right? It is ready to transfer those electrons to some other atom. It's like, le lo bhai, please go, take it and leave, right? Group number से valency का formula बताना. See, if you know the group number, if some element is present in 15th group, that means it has 5 valence electrons. Okay, valence electron कितना है? 5. So 8 minus 5. When the number of valence electron is more than greater than 4, then you need to subtract it from 8. Okay. Period है third because it has 3 shells. Okay. Yes, so it forms ionic compounds because firstly it is a metal. Metal will combine with a non-metal. There will be complete transfer of electrons. That is, it loses 2 electrons to form M+2 ion. Okay. So electrostatic force of attraction is basically, like when they are oppositely charged. So there will be strong pull from each other. Aapki bottle is cute. Thank you. Yes, Priyanshu ji, I'll do it. So question number 5. A student takes 4 test tubes marked P, Q, R and S of 25 ml capacity and fill 10 ml of distilled water in each. He dissolves 1 spoonful of 4 different salts in each. Okay, so he has taken distilled water. That is the reason they have not just mentioned water. It is distilled water. That means there are no other ions. Okay, ions, water plus KCl, water plus NaCl. That's it. H2O plus KCl, H2O plus NaCl, H2O plus CaCl2, H2O plus MgCl2. This is what is there. He then adds about 2 ml of a sample of soap solution to each of the above test tubes. On shaking the contents of each of the test tubes, he is likely to observe a good amount of lather or foam in the test tubes marked. Akka means Didi. Okay, so whoever joins the channel, they are like, why is everyone calling her Akka? What is Akka? So this is basically soaps and detergents. Yeah, I know it has been deleted, but there is one more topic, washing soda. You remember, Arlene? Washing soda, permanent hardness. So there also this is something you should know. Think. मैं हो गया हक्का बक्का. हाँ, Na2CO10H2O. New hairband है. No, this is not hairband. This is a hair tie. Sadhguru is live. Surabhi ma'am is also live. Oops, I'm late. Yes, very late. Hi Aditya. You think C is the answer? See, what are the kinds of salts which form scum? Okay, which won't form the lather. But there are few salts which does. I want the cations. Look at the cations. People, look at the cations. Potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium it is. Huh? Suhas, but for the 10th grade, I guess this is better. Foam, G, foam. Remember, hardness of water, permanent hardness of water. The question is, he is likely to observe a good amount of lather in the test tubes marked B, K. Where is K option? I was just kidding, Suhas. C for Chalabi. Acha, okay. Jasmine is saying A, Shreya is saying B, Harshit is saying B. My question is, where do you observe lather? Where there is no formation of scum? Oopsie doopsie. The answer is P and Q. So here calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, these compounds causes the hardness of water. So when you add the soap solution, there won't be any formation of lather because the water is hard. Okay, so then they will combine with soap solution, there will be formation of scum. They will just go and settle down. But with P and Q, where you have potassium chloride and sodium chloride, there won't be any formation of scum. There will be formation of lather. So option A, P and Q is right. And lather is like the foam, no? When you are washing clothes and all that, you will get foam. Okay. See here, in soaps and detergents, it is not there. Soaps and detergents part has been removed, I know. But when it comes to washing soda, when it comes to permanent hardness, you should know this one. So we have included this. Okay? Clear? You guessed right. Wow, wow, wow. Okay. So what do you observe when you drop a few drops of acetic acid to a test tube containing phenolphthalein, distilled water, universal indicator, sodium hydrogen carbonate water? So you have acetic acid. There are 4 test tubes containing phenolphthalein, distilled, universal indicator, sodium hydrogen. First one, colorless. Pakka? Hello Anand. Colorless because acid. Phenolphthalein does not show any color change. It is colorless. Very good. Distilled water. Acetic acid plus distilled water. Will there be any change here? I do not want to know what is happening to the pH or anything. What? Okay, I have given you a test tube. For example, see, I have a younger brother. He is in 5th grade. He does not, he's my cousin. So, he does not understand chemistry, right? So, when he is holding the test tube, so will there be any change? Yes or no? What will he say when you are adding acetic acid to distilled water? No change. No change. Very good. Universal indicator. Acetic acid, universal indicator. Universal indicator में no change. पहले तो test tube फोड़ देगा. pH will be less than. That's what I'm trying to say, Harshit. We don't want to know what is the pH. When you are adding it, you cannot see, right? pH increase हो रहा है. What is happening to the concentration of H+ ion is something which I cannot see, right? Red. Orange, red, yellow. Acha, let's say all the colors. Okay, my favorite is black. Shall I add? Acha, blue. But the question is universal indicator. So, cheap. Black, yes, black is the answer, no? Red. Mistake. Wow, wow. So yeah, it increases kill monster. I completely agree. But my question is, what about the pH? Because universal indicator is something which will tell you about the pH range, right? If the pH is very less, then what will be the color change? Orangish yellow. Okay. So it's almost orangish pink. Okay, that is where. So what will be the pH? Acetic acid is a weak acid, no? So don't go towards red and all. Oh. So last one only I forgot. So acetic acid plus sodium hydrogen carbonate. NaHCO3 plus CH3COOH. Will you see any change? Yes, it is. This is based on the latest syllabus because the out of syllabus questions we have removed. Only that one about soaps and detergents I have included it because you should know that when you are even learning about the washing soda, what is permanent hardness. So that is the reason. Evolution of colorless gas. Okay, very good. CO2. So how do you know it is CO2, Anjali? How do you know it is carbon dioxide? Na2CO3, so it dissolves in water. So you won't be left with any precipitation to say, salt hai. It extinguishes fire. Okay. So that's what you want me to do there. So you can observe that brisk effervescence. Right? That is the observation. So please don't say it is carbon dioxide only. I can see. I'm wearing my specs so I can see it is carbon dioxide. How sure are you? Without a test, without conducting any test, you cannot tell which gas has been evolved. Right? So no change or remains colorless for phenolphthalein. No change. Distilled water plus acetic acid. No change. and then turns pink or orange when you are dipping that universal indicator paper into acetic acid. Evolution of colorless or odorless gas, that is carbon dioxide, we all know, but do not mention carbon dioxide. You can just say, because what is your observation, that's it. Very good, very good, very good, monster. Yes. See, you will do well. Why are you so nervous? Huh? Okay. So that is it. I know it's basically a science paper. Number of chemistry questions will be less, and then out of syllabus questions we have removed. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed this session. Yes or no? Hi, typical gamer. You are very late. I'm gonna say tata bye bye. हो गया session? Yes जी, हो गया, खत्म. All the very best नेहा, all the very best. Thank you रवि जी, thank you. ये क्या हुआ, कैसे हुआ, क्यों हुआ, पता नहीं. So this is 19, 18, 17, 16 का है शायद, 16. What does R in Surabhi are? That's my father's name. Solve bio and physics also. No, you solve, I will just sit. That is what can happen. Hemanta, that is not in your syllabus. How to find the pH? It's not there, but using that logarithm, the formula, you can actually. When do we have the next session? Skill Monster, please do subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon so that you will be notified. But I'll see you tomorrow at 6 p.m. Ma'am is enjoying the session. You are not enjoying the session. Bye bye. Chalo then. Where are you from? I'm from Karnataka, Bangalore. Don't be Shurik. Don't be. Okay then. Bye bye. I teach here, no? So you can subscribe to the channel. I love elementary chemistry. पढ़ाई हो रही है इधर. हाँ, ए मैं हूँ, ए मेरी स्टूडेंट्स हैं, और इधर पढ़ाई हो रही है, पढ़ाई. No bye. Akka is ignoring me. Shut. Chalo, bye. Take care. Come on, give me a high five. See you soon. See you tomorrow. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button, share this video with your friends. And if you have any queries or questions or doubts, you can just reach out to me at surabhi.r@vedantu.com.